Hello, this is Courtney Jolie, and this is my IBM Watson presentation for class 380. The IBM Watson AI is truly an incredible piece of machine. Out of all the AI technology I've heard about, IBM takes the lead in incorporating accurate predictive analysis, streamlined and filtered data, and ensuring solutions for their clients and representatives. It is a significant tool and guide for users that can also be utilized on the cloud as well as on your cell phone, enabling ease of use and convenience. Some may think of this revolutionary machine as something that can take over the jobs of people, but that cannot be further from the truth. It actually minimizes man hours and enhances productivity in many ways. I'll explain how in the next few slides. We should not be afraid of these machines potentially taking our jobs in the industry simply because they are incapable of certain functions. This includes the understanding of cultures, morals, and beliefs. They are incapable of grasping these matters that only humans can distinguish. One thing the AI can achieve is making tasks easier for their customer base and accomplishing remedial tasks. In a blog discussing these certain advantages, Watson explains, automation is the gift of time. It's an opportunity for people in many different roles to use their time differently, to create more value. It's an opportunity to dramatically unlock the power of labor, to focus on what matters most. We talked about how this technology can reduce man hours by allowing AI to perform labor-intensive IT processes. But it can do so much more. For example, in the DevOps manager's field, Watson can detect anomalies, perform incident localization, change risk remediation, leverage natural language processes, as well as fix issues before they affect the user. This type of technology can be a huge asset for companies that desire seamless processes if they wish to implement AI technology. The Watson AI is the right way to go about it. Although it is a fascinating piece of technology with the appearance of infinite capabilities. There are limits to the natural language processing. In the Weighing Watson Impact article, it explained that in Watson's early stages, it was able to sift through reviews and produce accurate solutions. But IBM personnel have worked hard to reduce these discrepancies. With the help of the creators, it may not be too far off from working in other industries like education, law, or finance and make a significant impact on each industry. But with that recognition comes high demand for the technology to always perform well. Developers will have to find ways to context that information so that interpretation is made easier. It's impressive how this technology has advanced and continues to flourish. But when will it be enough to meet a standard? This type of technology has brought many advantages to the table, and we continue to enhance its capabilities. Will it continue to resolve the issues that have been presented up front, or will it evolve into something that can't be stopped? It might just be me overanalyzing technology that reminds me of sci-fi films, but I don't think it's too far left field. We are in the most sensitive times of technological reliability. Even if we wanted to quit using it, will we be able to do that successfully? These are the type of questions that I'm sure I'm not the only one asking, but it's something to inquire as this technology continues to advance. Overall, this technology has plenty of potential and will continue to advance in every sense of the matter. I just hope that we continue to pose questions and avoid interfering with any ethical issues that are likely to interrupt the advancement. We can look at the positive advantages, but we must always mention the disadvantages as well, just so that everyone's on the same understanding. It will be interesting to see how much this technology continues to improve, and I'm looking forward to hearing more about it in the future.